Backward chaining is a reasoning strategy used in artificial intelligence to reach a goal by working backward from that goal. Here's how it works. 1. Goal-oriented approach. Backward chaining starts with the goals and works backward through a knowledge base of rules and facts to find the necessary conditions that must be true in order to achieve the goal. 2. Rule-based reasoning. It relies on rules in the form of implications, if-then statements, to guide the inference process. These rules represent relationships between different elements of knowledge. 3. Goal satisfaction. At each step, backward chaining selects a rule whose conclusion matches the goal or a sub-goal. If the premises of the selected rule are not satisfied, the process recursively attempts to satisfy them by treating them as new goals. 4. Backtracking. If backward chaining encounters a dead end where it cannot find a rule whose premises are satisfied, it backtracks and explores alternative paths until a solution is found or all possibilities have been exhausted. 5. Efficiency considerations. Backward chaining can be more efficient than forward chaining in certain situations, especially when there are multiple goals or when the goals are known in advance. Overall, backward chaining is a powerful technique used in various AI applications, including expert systems, automated reasoning, and problem solving.